Hi YouTubers! So today I got a 3 Series 4 blend packs in here. So yeah. So here's the front, and it includes 2 characters, 1 collector card, and secret code. And here's the one that you can get, and it's sealed. And I very love Series 4, so let's get started. I feel in here is Mojitos. So it's open now. So our collector card is a Wooly, and our first Moshling is, oh my god, as I said, I got a Pokito. So Pokito is ultra rare. So I got an Epic Pulse, and my second one is a Fizzy. So our first pack is Epic. So let's look for our second pack, and search for so it's open. Our collector card is a Scarlet O'Hara. Our first Moshling is a Ruffle, which is I already got. And our next Moshling is a Ruby. So our third pack, the last one. So let's open this one. So it's open. So our collector card is a Jessie, ultra rare, and our first Moshling is a Really. So that's Really, and our next Moshling is a Betty, which is really cute. So we got Epic Pulse in our first pack, and a nice pull in our second and third pack. So here's the one that I get. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye!